Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be showing you how to make this very simple and easy potato curry, which we also call curry potatoes. So let's see what the ingredients are for this simple and easy recipe. I have 4 green onions that I'm going to finely chop. I have some garlic that I'm also going to finely chop. And I also have a handful of chopped onion. I have 4 large potatoes that I have washed. I'm going to peel them, then dice them into small cubes and place them into some cool water. The water actually prevents them from discoloration. Next, I'm preheating some olive oil on medium heat. I'm adding both curries into a glass bowl since curry powder does stain. I'm mixing in some lukewarm water to form a paste. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever used curry with masala. So this is what it looks like. So now let's check on the oil. My oil is hot and ready, so I'm adding my chopped garlic first. Once the garlic starts to sizzle, I'm adding the remainder of the chopped vegetables. Once the vegetable starts to get translucent, I'm adding my curry paste. Then I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes while stirring it occasionally. Then I'm going to add my chopped potatoes. I'm mixing the curry with the potatoes and I'm making sure to spread the curry throughout all the pieces of potatoes. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of water to the bowl that had the curry paste and I'm going to add it to the pot. I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm adding about 1 cup of water, enough to cover the potatoes. And I'm going to cook it until the potatoes are soft and the sauce is thick. While this is cooking, I'm adding a pinch of salt, and you can add any salt of your choice. Oh boy, it is smelling spicy in this kitchen. As you can see, the potatoes have absorbed the curry sauce, and the sauce is also starting to get thick. So the potato curry is just about ready. Check out the sauce, y'all. Nice and thick. And the potatoes are not mushy. And they are fully cooked. Curry with masala is a little darker than curry without masala. I like both depending on what I'm making. So I made some chickpea rice to go with my curry. It can also be served with white rice, roti, or dal puri. Have you guys ever tried potato curry? Since I have a lot left over, I'm going to make a plate for you guys. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.